A skill that I've gained would definitely be production planning. It's really great to be able to holistically look at production. That was something that I didn't necessarily think I was going to get out of this. And I probably, thinking about it, I was like, maybe I could figure it out on my own, but to be able to fast track that knowledge was pretty nice. Some of the knowledge that I gained that really helps out in my full-time job would definitely be what it is that executives are looking at and what investors are looking at and how it all rolls up into the big picture, and to be able to sit in these meetings and essentially I can hang in these conversations, I can contribute. So that's really been a fantastic contribution to my full-time gig. The cohort model was really great in that it's 7 weeks of your courses. And so that fast-paced 7-week course aspect is really nice. And then being with everybody the whole entire time and building those relationships is really great too. The capstone project that we did was machine learning and CNC manufacturing. Prior to the final course, I wouldn't have thought machine learning implementation and the DMAIC approach, smashing those two things together it didn't really fit with me when I started. But being coached through that, and now having completed that, I feel like I've already had my green belt, I've already done DMAIC projects, but I thought they had to be specific, and now I see a way that I could apply it to things that I would not have prior to. When I applied for the degree with my company, I basically said, hey, I'm gonna get this degree, Professional Master's in Manufacturing Leadership, and will you kindly pay for it? And as soon as I submitted that application to the company, within weeks, I was getting solicited for a promotion. The Professional Master's in Manufacturing Leadership actually helped me get that promotion, and without it, I think it would have taken a lot longer.
So your company paid for your degree and then you got a promotion. That's like a double.
Yeah, it's been pretty nice.
You paid
No wonder you're celebrating.